5G is coming to Mexico. AT&T, America Movil, which is Telcel, and Movistar, being the three largest providers of cell service in Mexico, have been slowly building the 5G network in Mexico. As of October 2021, there is very little 5G coverage throughout the country, presently only existing in large cities such as Mexico City, but offering sparse service. 5G should be more widely available by February of 2022. There is a network map available which shows the 5G network of the three major carriers in real time. It can be used to view 5G coverage in any country of the world. Here is a preview of the map. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about this. So here's the whole world, and you can see the 5G coverage in all the countries. It's in purple. And we're just going to zoom in a little bit into various areas, and you can see here in Mexico it's very sparse. In Mexico City there's only a little bit concentrated basically in the downtown areas and a little bit along the suburbs. It looks like around the major highway running through Mexico, that's where all the towers are, and in a few other places. Now let's zoom out a little bit and we'll look at the US in comparison. Look, in the US it's very, very well covered, and in nearby Florida it's all covered all along the coasts. So is Europe, Saudi Arabia, Africa and South America are sparsely covered, as you can see, very, very sparse. Australia has some along the coast, and there is Asia, Thailand, the Philippines, Japan, China. China is also sparsely covered right now. You can see Europe is saturated. They love their high speed in Europe. High speed everything in Europe, including the highways. No speed limits. So let's change to Mexico. I just clicked network coverage. And we're just going to choose a carrier. Here are the major carriers in Mexico. Let's look at AT&T first. AT&T Unifone. And you can see the coverage is, this is 4G coverage. If you look at the color code on the bottom of the map. Let's look at the US. So you can see the US has 4G coverage everywhere. You can see with AT&T and with Cellular One it's sparse. With 4G, with Trilogy it's non-existent. With US Cellular it's again sparse. So now you're getting an idea of how this app actually works. We'll go back to Mexico and we'll look at Telcel in 4G. Look at Telcel. It's pretty well covered. Other carriers, it's sparsely covered. Movistar is sparse on 4G. More in Mexico City, of course, with almost 30 million people. In Honduras, the 4G is again sparsely covered. Let's look at Venezuela, Movistar Mobile in Venezuela. Again, it's sparse mainly in the larger cities, and that's 4G and 3G in the green. Digital, again in the major cities, and MobileNet, very, very sparse, again only in the major cities. That's it. The link for this 5G coverage map is below the video. Also, check out our store for these great cell phone holders available for any make and model, t-shirts and many other items. Again, the link is below the video for our store with convenient home delivery.